Hi guys! I hope you're all having a good day. And I also hope your succulent gardening hobby helps you relax and unwind. Today's video is about succulents' botanical names and how knowing them can help you upscale your gardening knowledge. But first, let's play a game. I will show you the plant and you tell me its botanical name. Are you ready? Here's the first one. What is the botanical name of this succulent? If you answered Kalanchoe luciae, you are right. And this is also commonly called paddle plant or flapjack. It is pronounced Kalanchoe in American English and Kalanchoe in British English. Here's the next one. What is the botanical name of the succulent plant? If you answered Senecio rollianus, you are right, and this is also commonly called string of pearls. Next, what is the botanical name of this succulent? The answer is aloe vera. It's a beautifully blooming aloe vera. How about this one? What is the botanical name of this plant? The answer is Sedum rubrotinctum. Here's the last one. What is the botanical name of this plant? The correct answer is Cula Ovata. Did you get them all right? Most of the time, we are used to addressing our succulents by their common names. But here's why it is important to know their botanical names. Knowing the botanical names of succulent plants isn't just about impressing your friends with botanical trivia. It is also beneficial for succulent gardening. You see, each plant has a unique botanical name because it helps scientists and gardeners communicate clearly about different plants. Just like people have names to tell them apart, plants have botanical names to distinguish them from one another. These names are like special codes that scientists use to identify each plant accurately, no matter where they are in the world. Without the botanical name, it can get confusing because different individuals might use different names for the same plant. This confusion can make it hard to know exactly which plant someone is talking about, especially if many plants have similar common names. For example, Cula Ovata, commonly known as the jade plant. People might call it by different names in different places without using the botanical name. For instance, in some regions, people call it the money plant because they believe it brings good luck and prosperity. In other places, it might be known as the friendship tree because it's often given as a gift between friends. And some people refer to it as the succulent without specifying the exact type. However, the botanical name Cula Ovata allows everyone to understand and identify the plant clearly no matter where they are in the world. Another example, the elephant bush. This plant is known by various names depending on where it is. In some places, people might call it the elephant food because elephants in their native habitat like to munch on its leaves, while others might call it the dwarf jade plant because it looks like a bit like those of the jade plant Cula Ovata. Now, here's where things get really helpful. The botanical name of the elephant bush is Portulacaria afra. So even if someone calls it by different common name like elephant food or dwarf jade, everyone can understand exactly which plant they're talking about when they use the botanical name. It's like having a universal language for plants. Are you learning from our video so far? If you are, and if you're one of those looking for motivation, positive affirmations, meditation, or anything that will help you relax, I would like to introduce you to my new channel, The Sanctuary. I will include the link in the description below. Now, going back to our topic, the botanical names are made up of two parts, the genus and the species. The genus is like a family name, and the species is like the first name. Together they form a specific name for each plant. Here are a few examples of common succulent genera: sedum, echeveria, crassula, aloe, haworthia, sempervivum, agave, eonium, kalanchoe, senecio, and so much more. Genus names are either Latin or Greek to describe the characteristics of the plant or are named after a notable person in their honor. If you're having a hard time with their identification, don't worry. Enjoy gardening no matter what. Take advantage of the benefits this plant brings. That is, to enjoy, relax, and have fun gardening with these low-maintenance plants. Experience your stress melting away as you spend time in your garden. Enjoy gardening and remember to share your amazing love of succulents. Have a great day, guys!